This is the one of the important problem in the projection of straight lines. Okay. So already I told in the last class what is the concept involved in the projection of straight lines. So already I told that the basic diagram for the projection of straight lines which are both are inclined to HP and VP. Okay. In that we have the one problem for that projection of straight lines. So that is what is the given data, a line AB. It is a line AB is given. For the data write down, the data it is given. Okay. So AB is how much length is given? It is the true length, 50 mm. It is the 50 mm true length. So it is the true length 50 mm. As its ending A, so the point A, and A means that is the point A. We have the one line which are having two ending points. That is the one ending point that is A in both HP and VP. Okay, and it is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. So the line which is inclined to HP, that is an angle theta. How much given? 30 degrees. Okay, and it is inclined to VP, that is fine. You can take it as 45 degrees. Okay. So this is given data. Now we can draw the projection of straight lines for that using given data. Okay. Now I am drawing this one. First draw the XY line. I am drawing. So this is XY line. I am taking this is one XY line straight line. Okay. Now I am drawing first point A. Always go for the point. The point A both HP means HP and VP means the point which is lying on XY line. So that I am taking the point, this is on the XY line and both are on XY line, means that A dash comma A both are on XY line. Now I am taking this is over A in both HP and VP. Now go for 50 mm length, true length. So what is the angle for that true length given? Angle, true angle, that is 30 degrees. So I am take a protractor, take an angle 30 degrees. Makes an angle 30 degrees and length is 50 mm. So draw an angle. What is the angle? That is, this is 30 degrees and should be equal to, this length should be equal to 50 mm. This is 50 mm. This is true length, that is 50 mm. So this is the ending point. I am taking this one is B1 dash because this is the front view, so that we can take dash. Now this projecting of this line should be onto the top, means that there is the A point A is here. So that draw the perpendicular line onto the A line, onto the where is the A point. So this is the A point. So that we can draw the projector line from the B1 dash. Will get the one point, that is B1. Okay. So this is B1. This is over 30 degrees angle. Next angle, what is angle? Phi angle. Inclined to AP means it is upper. Inclined to VP means it is lower because it is the first quadrant, because it is first quadrant. Okay. So phi equal to 45 degrees. Now I am taking phi 45 degrees below the XY line. Here I am taking protractor. So take an angle 30 degrees angle. Okay. So this is an angle 45 degrees. Now what is this point? This is the point, ending point. We can take B2 and this length should be equal to 50 mm. This is also true length and this is also true length. Okay. Now draw the projector line from the B2 point. Where is the point A dash? Here. So that I am taking, already we have drawn the extend this line, that is the line which is XY line. So that I am drawing first, draw the perpendicular line from B2 which is projecting onto the XY line because A dash is here. So this one is B2 dash. Right? This one is B2 dash. Now I am drawing locus line because we have the ending points of the lines. Draw locus lines. So draw the line which is parallel to the XY line and it is passing through the ending point of the line. So that I am drawing. So this is what? Locus of D dash. Locus of D dash. This should be parallel to the XY line. You can fix this drafter to this line and draw the line which is parallel to this line and passing to the ending point of this line. Okay. Now also here also locus of B. There is the ending point. This is the ending point B2. Okay. So now draw the straight line which is parallel to the XY line and it is passing to the ending point B. So this is of what? Locus of B. Locus of B. Now because both are equivalent to HP and VP, so that we are getting another front view and another top view, that is final front view and final top view. So we will get the final front view and final top view. Now take the compass, A dash the center, what is the length? You can take the length of the front view. This is A dash to B2 dash. Up to this point, we can take this length and this is a center, draw an arc onto the locus of B dash. So this is the direction of the curve. Okay, now we are getting, that is the final, we are getting, what is this one? B dash. Okay, now join like this to the A dash, that will get the final front. Okay, here also same, A as center up to the B1, because this is the length of the top, up to the B1, don't take B2 dash, up to the B1, A as center, draw an arc onto the locus of B. A as center, take a compass. Now up to the B1, take this length, draw an arc, and direction of this one is B1. Here direction of the curve, this one is like this. Okay. Now we are getting, that is the final top view. Now join with the help of the scale A to B. That is the final top. So that is the completion of this problem. Now we will show the what is the length of the this one is true length. You can show the true length, or also you can write down like this. Draw two lines, which is the difference length between these two lines are, it may be 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Now true length, write down true length. So this is, already you know about the lettering. So true length equal to up to this one line. How much? This is what? 50 mm. You can write down like this, 50 mm. So this is 50 only. Write 50 only. Don't show the mm. All dimensions are in mm. You know about the way the all dimensions are in mm in the chart. So this is the true length equal to 50 mm. So true length 50 mm. This is also true length 50 mm. Angle also here also already we shown that. We have shown that 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay. These are entire diagram for this problem. Right? Thank you. You don't require that alpha and beta, because they don't ask the alpha and beta. So this is alpha, already told in the last concept, that is the projection of straight line both are equivalent to HP. Already I told in the concept, that is alpha, this one, this is beta. If it is asking in the problem, if that is required alpha and beta. Okay, if it is not asking, that is alpha and beta, so you don't require that alpha and beta. Okay, thank you.